Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about this question from last week and we're going to go over it because a lot of friends got it wrong. And so that tells me that you're not watching the videos. So make sure you're watching these videos. They're super duper important. Now let's review what we know about measurement. Measurement. End to end, no gaps or overlaps. Let's do it again. Measurement. End to end, no gaps or overlaps. So this says Sarah lined up her centimeter cubes to find the length of the picture of the paintbrush. Sarah thinks the picture of the paintbrush is 5 centimeters long. Is her answer correct? A lot of you said yes, her answer was correct. But I know that this is incorrect because I see gaps. Remember, when we're measuring with units, they have to be back to back, no gaps and no overlaps. So we're going to have 2 more questions similar to this, where I'm going to be measuring some things and taking pictures, and I want you to tell me, is what they did correct or incorrect? Okay, keep up the good work.